Hello student, welcome to this lesson on recipe writing. Do you ever use recipes when you cook? Using a recipe, especially when you're learning how to cook, is very helpful. A recipe gives you a set of instructions for preparing a particular dish. It also includes a list of the ingredients required. Have a look at the following recipe. What can you notice? A recipe consists of 4 main parts: the title, the ingredients list, the preparation method, and the serving suggestion. Let's go for some basic guidelines for writing each of these 4 main parts. The title indicates what is going to be prepared. The ingredients list provides the list of all the items required for the recipe. List the ingredients in order of use. The ingredient to be used first will be on top of the list. Note that you have to indicate the quantity of each ingredient in the list. Provide measurements that are recognized by everyone. For example, kilograms or grams, liters when measuring liquid, tablespoons and teaspoons. The preparation method is a step-by-step description of how to prepare the food. In some recipes, you may include pictures of each step. When writing the preparation method, you do not have to write complete sentences, but it is important to be as concise as possible. Write each step in a new paragraph or line. For example, if you are mixing different ingredients in a bowl, use one paragraph for this step. This one is the last part in a recipe. Serving suggestion provides ideas on how to plate and how to garnish. Give advice on how the food should be eaten: cold, hot, chilled. Add a last step on the storage if applicable. For example, in a cookie recipe, you may write, "Keep at room temperature in an airtight container." You may also add a picture of the final dish to show how it would look like. Now, let's look at some common verbs that are frequently used in a recipe. To peel is to take off the skin of a fruit or vegetable. To measure is to obtain the exact quantity of an ingredient. To weigh is to measure the weight of something. To open is to remove the top from a can or jar. To pour is to transfer liquid from one container to another. To stir is to mix liquid ingredients by moving a spoon around in a circular motion. To cut is to separate or divide by using a knife. To slice is to cut into thin portions. To chop is to cut into small pieces. To grate is to divide into small parts by rubbing against a rough surface. To mix is to combine 2 or more ingredients using a spoon, spatula, or an electric mixer. To beat or whisk is to mix quickly and continually. To sift is to put through a sifter or sieve. To knead is to press and stretch dough. To grease is to coat with oil or butter. To bake is to cook in an oven. To boil is to heat a liquid until bubbles form. To fry is to cook by putting the food in hot oil. Now, let's play a game. But first, do you still remember the 4 main parts of a recipe? Well, they are the title, the ingredients list, the preparation method, and the serving suggestion. Now, try this. The following steps in a recipe are jumbled. First, let us read them. You will then put them in the correct order. In a large bowl, combine the fruits and 1/3 cup fresh orange juice. Peel the fruits. Wash the fruits. Take 4 types of fresh summer fruits of your choice. Cut the fruits in dice. Did you guess that these steps are about making a fruit salad? Hope you did! Let's check. So, first, to make the fruit salad, take 4 types of fresh summer fruits of your choice. Second, wash the fruits. Third, peel the fruits. Fourth, cut the fruits in dice. And fifth, in a large bowl, combine the fruits and 1/3 cup fresh orange juice. Did you get them right? Now, an exercise for you. Write the recipe of your favorite dish. Remember, the first step is the title. Think about what you will prepare. Next, you have to know this. What ingredients will you need for the dish? In the preparation method, you have to describe step by step how you will prepare the dish. Finally, write about how the dish could be served or eaten. You may also include a picture of the dish. Have fun writing recipes. Goodbye!